How to go to library on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your library on Epic Games. So for that you just have to open the website called epicgame.com or store.epicgame.com, and after that just log into your account, and then just hover your cursor onto your profile icon, and after that just go to accounts from there, and here on the left hand side menu you will see the option called transaction. Just click on it, and now as you can see your purchase or transaction history along with the game description along with the name of the game. That's how all your games that you have purchased and get in Epic Games will show right here, and this is your game library as well, and this is how you will be able to see your library on Epic Games. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.